solar panel to the roof of my van. So the plan is, I've got these old aluminium base from an old shed I don't use anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one on here, chop it down. Angle aluminium I've gone and bought, because I got angled because it's rigid. I'm going to either rivet or bolt the solar panel onto that, and then those are going to stretch across the van. So that's going to hold the solar panel, and that's going to get bolted up to those up at the top. I want to see whether or not I'm going to have to drill a new hole, or I don't actually ever listen to radio, so I'm thinking I might just take this off and see how big the hole is here. If I can go through an existing hole and seal that back up, it's going to make life a lot easier. Better take these out first. Okay, after much irritation, I finally got the first one off. Basically, you got to twist that slightly, it just lifts, and then you want to try and drop it down. It's a very awkward little thing to get off, and very irritating. Right, send a bit down, centre bit, pushed on, just the poppers. Nothing too sinister there, that's an easier one. Okay, next annoying piece, grab handle. Grab handle has these stupid clips going up there, with big stupid clips that go in between. Nightmare. That's the aerial. Right, so if I unscrew that, fingers crossed I've got a big enough hole for my wires to go through. Okay, that's where my neighbour's using the loudest things he can. Right, managed to get that nut off. Up there. Unplugged it from there and it just popped out. So that's that. And I think that hole is going to be big enough. And that'll be fine. And both cables will fit through there. Okay, cut the bars to fit. So just measured across there. 147, say 0.5. Just roughly putting everything on to see where everything will go. So bolt this to the angle, measure it up so it's in the centre, bolt this to the angle, and then measure up where I want to put these holes, drill through there, bolt this to here. Yeah, that's kind of it really. Okay, right, so everything's strapped to this. I've now threaded the cable through into the van, through the port, through that, through this thing. I've got some seal which I've put on there now, so that's just going to sit on the top. And these little guys then twist in order to hold on to the cables. If it focuses, hold on to the cables, and then that'll be sealed as well. So it should all be watertight by the time it's finished. Luckily enough, everything worked out, so it all fits underneath the solar panel. Okay, bolted on. Pretty secure. Don't think that stuff's fully dried yet, but it's got a skin on it already. After about an hour, it's got a skin on it, so that's cool. Doesn't seem to be moving anywhere, so fingers crossed that's sealed. And then we got the cable coming down, the aerial. I think before I get the panel nut in, I might as well check that everything works. So I'm going to put it all on my test rig here. So according to the instructions, I've got to attach the battery to it first, which are these cables, and then I've got to attach the solar panel to it, which obviously I will cut down because I have so much wire left. Pretty good though. I reckon if I put the solar panel probably on the back of the van, I would have enough to go all the way along the roof and down. There was ample cable with it. Okay, solar panel's connected. It's the solar panel charging the battery, which is going to load. Solar, battery, load. No errors. 12.2 volts in the battery. Okay, let's go to the last part of the video just to show what I did. This is me. I've put some chipboard here to make kind of a new bulkhead. It's not finished yet. I need to fill in this gap, cut out a bit here, so that's where the inverter is, and just need to finish off the top bit. But what I've done is shorten the cables that come from the solar panel. There's now actually, it's from there down to there, so there's only a couple of feet, and I think it was something like an 8-foot cable. I did not need them that big. So it's only about a couple of feet. Drill through here. Obviously, so solar panel comes up into the box. This goes down to the battery. These wires here, actually, this is an afterthought thing. This is actually for my fridge because we have used it already, and plugged in some USB lights. Very nice. But yeah, at the moment I've got my van set up for work, so I've now plugged in my charger. This is for my strimmer, and then quite happily charges on there, using it between lawns. Brilliant. Right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alright, take care. Bye bye.